In today's tech video, we've got a common TV issue on our hands. Many of you have asked for help with your Hitachi TV that won't turn on or has a black screen. Well, you're in the right place because I've got some easy solutions for you to try. First, let's identify the problem. Before we dive into the solutions, let's quickly identify the problem. If you press the power button on your Samsung's TV remote and nothing happens, or if you hear a sound but see nothing on the screen, then you're dealing with a TV that won't turn on or has a black screen. Solution 1. Check the power connections. First things first, double check your power connections. Make sure that your TV is plugged in and the power outlet is functional. You'd be surprised how often this simple step can solve the problem. Solution 2. Do a soft reset. Many times, this particular situation will fix the problem. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. Doing this is called a soft reset and might fix your problem. Solution 3. Remote and manual power on. Find the manual power button on your TV itself, usually located near the bottom of the TV. Press it and hold it for a few seconds to see if your TV responds. If that works, great. If not, let's move on to the next one. Solution 4. Try a different HDMI source. Another issue could be the HDMI source. If your TV is set to an input source with no active signal, it may display a black screen. Try changing to a different HDMI input and ensure that your cable box, game console, or other devices are powered on. Solution 5. Reset your TV. If your TV is still giving you a hard time, let's try resetting it. On most TVs, it can be done by pressing and holding both the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for a few seconds. This might reboot your TV and get it back on track. Solution 6. Contact support. If all else fails, it's time to reach out to a TV's support. They have a dedicated team that can help you diagnose and fix your TV's issues. Check your warranty status. Your TV might still be covered. Well, there you have it. These are some common and easy solutions to get your TV up and running again if it won't turn on or has a black screen. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.